up in this bitch, and we are gone, dude. We are gone. El Camino. Today we are getting this thing. Well, we're gonna get it registered eventually, I think. You know, we've been driving around with no plates on the bitch. Listen, there's a lot of different things that I used to do, and I still do, like little tricks and crap, just not to get pulled over, and just because, oh man, I gotta close that door. Son of a bitch. Hold on one second. Basically, what I was saying is, it seems like every time I get a new vehicular, especially an old one, I just wait months to get it registered. And, I don't know, one of these days I'm gonna get in trouble, I know it. You should see Prolaw's face. Damn, I forgot my mud jug! Shit. And my vape. Shit. So actually what we're doing right now is we're heading over to my body guy's shop, Mirrored Image. My buddy Tom, love that dude. He actually sent me, okay, you guys remember, a lot of you guys were making fun of me because I bought my El Camino and you're like, hey, you didn't run into it the first day you owned it, did you? No, I didn't, okay? But it was funny because the day I picked this up on last Saturday, he sent me a picture of my old El Camino after he just restored it. Check these pictures out right here, dude. Like, look how beautiful that looks. It used to look like a piece of crap with a dent in the back, all Bondo colored and primer gray. This shit looks amazing now. The guy went with the gray color, did the stripes on it, and looks freaking tits money. So anyways, we're gonna go see him, and then we'll see what the hell we want to do, and hopefully we can keep the cops off our ass because we have no freaking plates on. We do have the bill of sale, but you know, it's just gonna be a pain in the ass if I freaking get pulled over. So maybe I should go register this thing really quick. Wow. Dang. Roll off, dude! Dude! Oh, I left him in the hot car by himself. That bitch fucking hot, dude. Give me the keys, dude. Give me the keys. Hot boy. Going out your window. That freaking took so damn long. DMV out in the middle of nowhere, dude. Never open on Fridays, so they packed to hell on Thursdays, but I got a collector plate this time. I was gonna personalize it with Outlaw, and then of course that was taken. And she's like, you got anything else you'd wanna put? And I'm like, I don't have any other clue. So if there's ever a cool plate you guys think I could do on this bitch, let me know. I probably could do just Camino. I don't know. I have no freaking clue. I'm not that smart. Oh, wow, look at this bitch right here. See? Hold on! Fucking Red Bull. Damn it! That's what you get fucking around. Oh, some bitch gonna be sticky now. Oh, I got towels in here. Yeah, it's all freaking sticky! So I figured I'd tell you guys a story. When I used to drive and shit when I was in high school and stuff like that, I was broke, right? Didn't have no gosh dang money. So a funny thing I would do is I'd go out here to the middle of nowhere to a tiny little insurance company. They'd give me like a quote for like the cheapest in the country. It'd usually be somewhere in like Illinois or whatever, right? They'd give me a quote, and then what they would do is they'd print me off a little paper sheet where it'd be like the 6-month policy on the sheet. So if I ever got pulled over, it's like I paid up for 6 months, even though I wouldn't. I'd only have 1 month paid for, right? So I'd always only pay the first month insurance, get that 6-month card, and then never pay again, and then I would just switch insurance companies after the 6 month. So I didn't have to keep paying. So that was a little something stupid and kind of illegal that I would do when I was younger, but I try not to do that kind of stuff anymore. So we got the freaking plate, but I haven't put it on, so I will probably do that in the next week or so eventually. All right, now we're gonna go to my body guy's place. Let's do it. Oh my goodness. Are you serious? Did this bitch know I was coming? A 59 Camino. That's the freaking sexiest. Oh my gosh. Is he trying? What the? Bruh. What are you guys doing? Dude, it's like we're the same person. We got 2 border collies. Yeah. I need to bring my puppies. Should have put them in the back. Hey.
What, trade?
It's like you knew I was coming.
Probably about 80,000.
Really?
Probably 70 maybe.
Oh my gosh.
It's got power everything. It's got 348 in it. It's tri-power. It's got power wing windows, power door locks, power windows, Wonderbar stereo, air conditioning.
Oh my god. Where's mine?
Sweet.
Look at this. I think it was that lime green color.
Oh, there you go. I like that color.
Yeah, I do too.
That's a nice color.
And you got this green on here.
Yeah.
And then you got that, and then there's like a purple somewhere else too, I saw.
Yeah, maybe we need to strip it.
It looks like it was lime green, then it was darker green, then they did the red.
If we blasted it, then we'd have a better idea of what we got going.
Yeah.
You know? What'd you think of your old one, man?
Dude, that thing was insane.
Oh.
That looked good.
Turned out
What did you
good.
do with that? Was it black or was it like a dark blue?
It's a BMW black metallic.
Okay.
They call the stripes royal gray, and that's a BMW color too.
I got you.
I did a Torino,
Really?
and I did a stripe across the back like this across the truck. In those, I painted it that black, and that guy come in and seen that colors. He goes, "Oh, I gotta have this color on my shit."
Yeah, I'm thinking matte black, and then I've got all the badges and everything. Yeah, I mean the biggest stuff is like that. I mean, I guess that's not horrible. That's just the paint, but this right here is. And then the other side.
Yeah, the typicals.
Look how thick it is.
I know it.
It's crazy.
Okay.
But
Well, let me get some figures up. Kind of idea to get started, you know, to get it down, and then we can see what we got, and that'll make a big difference. Well, if we can get a strip down, then we'll get the dents fixed. I'll have Adam help me do the dents. We'll get it stripped, and then we got an idea what we got.
yeah.
And then I would do it in this stuff. Something like this.
Yeah, that's nice. I like that. Do something like gloss.
Something gloss. We'll do some stripes up the hood.
Yeah, I like that.
This has been left outside, this piece here,
It's been
probably for 8 months now.
wow.
So
Yeah,
you can
it's
see
holding
how
up.
it holds up. Look at how nice that El Camino looks.
Man, I know. I pulled up. I was like, holy smoke!
I forgot it was here until after I talked to you, and then I started laughing. I thought, he's gonna freeze.
Yeah. So just let me know on that. I'm gonna start picking out wheels and stuff.
Okay. I'll shout at you and give you a ballpark what I think to strip it down,
Okay.
and then we'll go from there.
Sounds good, man.
All right. Cool, brother.
Good man.
You guys are.
Yes, sir.
Good seeing you.
All right, buddy. We'll see you soon. Oh man, love that guy. All right, let's get out of here. Go home. Whoa, the wipers decide to work now. Back home. Yeah, that's the one. All right, now we showed the El Camino off in the last video, and a lot of you guys in the comments were like, dude, give us the freaking specs on the thing. And listen, to be honest, the guy told me every little freaking thing that he did, and I was like, dude, you're just gonna have to text that to me. I can't remember every little thing he did on this sumbitch. So I'm gonna give you guys a complete rundown of everything in this freaking engine bay. Obviously, like I said, we just went and checked out my body guy, and he's gonna holler back at me with a quote to sandblast this entire thing. Like he said, you know, at the beginning, he was like, maybe we just scrub this down a little bit and then just do them black over. But then he saw how much paint was actually on this sumbitch, and I'm thinking, let's just freaking sandblast it and get it all off. Okay, so this is what he said he started with. He started with a high nickel Canadian 4-bolt main 350. I thought it was actually bored 30 over, but he bored it 20 over. Then he used an Eagle steel crankshaft, put that in there. Actually, let me grab my phone because there's so much shit in here that I can't even freaking remember, dude. Check this out, dude. Eagle steel crankshaft with powdered metal rods, H-beam style, flat top forged pistons. The heads are GM fast burn heads with stainless steel valves, Scorpion roller rockers, and Heartbeat of America, obviously valve covers. Aluminum that he custom painted inside the grooves. Check that out. Said the engine was balanced and blueprinted. He used an Edelbrock Vortex style 4-barrel intake manifold. Port matched it to the heads, then installed the Holley 980 4-barrel throttle body style fuel injection. And then cam wise, we got a full roller competition cam Stumper series camshaft, hardened push rods, polished aluminum cast timing cover, polished aluminum cast oil pan, which is really pretty when you look underneath. High volume oil pump, fluid amper, harmonic balance, balancer, serpentine belt drive from a 95 Chevy truck, Hydro Bruce power brakes, obviously, we can stop on a dime. Also from a 95 Chevy truck. Like we talked about, he's got the 4-core aluminum radiator with the electric fans. The transmission, like I said, is a 700 R4. That came from a Corvette. 87 Corvette to be exact. It's got a 1900 stall torque converter, I believe. Hardened input shaft, high performance clutches and discs, as well as heavy duty planetaries and shift kits. True double roller timing chain and a needle bearing cam button. I think it's got hooker headers, they're wrapped, power steering, Hydro Bruce power brakes. It's got AC, just need to hook it up. The thing's a beast, man. The thing is super fun to drive as well, and it looks pretty. Gotta love that. So, you know, I was talking about maybe doing a freaking supercharger, you know. Obviously, you know, he was saying he wanted to put nitrous on this before I bought it. Turbos? Twin turbos? I don't know, there's plenty. But first thing I want to do, since it's already running good and it's in tip-top shape already from that master mechanic, obviously I don't have to do too much now because it's already riding real nice. So biggest thing for me right now is I want to get this thing looking pretty. Now, last thing I want to ask you guys, because oh, and by the way, guys, listen, you guys gotta freaking chill, man. You guys gotta remember that Brolaw behind the camera is not the type of car guy that we are, all right? When in the last video I told him to put some death proof footage. Obviously I was talking about the Nova in that movie, but he put the Charger. But you guys got the freaking gist of what I was freaking saying. I want this to look like the Nova in the movie, right? So like I was saying, I want to go matte black, do some like gloss black SS stripes. But death proof car has the skull on the hood, right? But I want to go with my logo right here, like we got on this freaking what are these things called? Pop sockets. KeepItHillbilly.com, you son of a bitch. Right here. Outlaw logo right here in white. We'll probably just wrap it, you know, just put like a decal on there, make it look really good. What do you guys think about that, man? Do you guys think I should go with this thing being black and everything? Do you guys think we should go with that? Because all the other badges, like I have all these El Camino badges, the SS badges and everything like that. I'm probably gonna just do all new badges because they're a little bit torn up and stuff, and they're all gonna be white. So obviously matte black, white badges, white Outlaw logo. You guys let me know. Thumbs up, let me know in the comments. We'll freaking see how this car is gonna be looking. And then obviously we're freaking gonna do a bed liner in the bed, obviously. And then coming down to the wheels, you know, I've been thinking, and I think I wanna go ahead and do black wheels as well. I'm gonna be searching around for some black freaking wheels, some really sick looking ones. And then what we'll do is we'll put some nice fat big red calipers on there to match the inside of the freaking car. Give it a nice little offset look. I think that'd be tits money. So yeah, a lot of build videos coming up on this El Camino soon. I think that's gonna do it, man. We got a freaking, just a lineup of trucks out here that still need to be worked on, and stuff needs to be done to. The Duramax wrap is being created right now, and I cannot wait to show you guys what we are doing with that sumbitch, man. I'm super freaking excited for you guys to see that. So, and then I've been informed that the light bars for the bumper are finally been shipped, so they should be here in the next couple days, hopefully. We'll throw them sons of bitches on. All right, well, that's gonna do it for me. I gotta go take a nap because I'm dying and haven't slept. Why are you going so far away?
Sounds stinky.
We'll see y'all on the dip side. Always remember, no matter what you're doing, hit subscribe and live to thrill. Holler. Bam! All my competition moving like molasses. Got girls cooking shots so I can look at their fat asses. Riding into town, I'm a horse with the force. They always trying to catch you, but I communicate.